Here's a 2016 Hyundai Equus. With unprecedented levels of comfort, refinement, and artistry, the Equus crescendos to a higher standard. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, smart cruise control, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power reclining heated ventilated rear seats, 4-corner auto leveling suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and TOW engine. Car and driver note for luxury buyers on a budget, the Equus is still worth a look. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Welcome to King Volkswagen, the king of Volkswagen. We're conveniently located at 979 North Frederick Avenue in Gaithersburg. We look forward to serving you.